At some point of last year, I got really frustrated because this Jeep would not move in the snow at all. It just couldn't get out of its own way. And I put these skinnier tyres on. It used to have tyres that are a lot like this. And I really favour the normal tyre profile for this kind of snow. But it's been real cold here. And last couple of nights, it was minus 31 centigrade, which is about minus 26 Fahrenheit. It's coldish. I mean, I've got my thick winter t-shirt on. I'm even wearing a coat, which for someone from Yorkshire is unusual, I'll tell you. So we can establish it's cold. But I want to take this out and see how it does with a cold start. You can see it's got snow on it. It hasn't started in weeks. I want to see if it's going to start up and drive, and if it can handle some mild off-road and actually get traction in the snow. Just so you know, this thing is on fumes. I meant to get some fuel for it and I didn't, so I'm hoping I don't have to walk back from doing this. Let's see if it starts. Gotta love Jeeps. I have not fixed the throwout bearing on the clutch yet, so there's going to be noise. Alright. Super hoping I don't lose the GoPro. I got loads of traction so far. We're still on the choke a fair bit, obviously. I think we're leaning out. I might have just run out of fuel. Alright, that's kind of weird. Revs were raising a bit like we were leaning out. I don't know why it would do that. So, obviously I'm going to do the sensible thing and just derrick it and ignore it. I got the drone set up for this because for some reason Lexi didn't want to come out in the cold. Sure. Doesn't seem like being a team player to me, but there we go. Here we are. Hey! Oh, that is a pass. I mean, you never get a feel for it on the camera, but that is way steeper than it looks. The sheer fact it made it up there means that these tyres are fantastic for this depth of snow. I've got a rider for this though. If you're in really, really deep hard packed snow where it's going to go up to your axles, these thin tyres are no good for you because they all cut all the way through and then you're just going to get high centered. But for this stuff, what you want to do is cut through and get that traction, and that's exactly what they did. tracks you're seeing are from my four-wheeler, they're not from this. You'll see as we get close. Easy way or hard way? Hard way, let's do it. Whoa. Alright, that's a pass. The traction problem that this had is officially fixed. Oh, I'm going to go inside and warm up.